Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to see a machine learning program on random forest classifier. The goal of the program is to visualize how the number of trees in a random forest classifier affects accuracy on the iris data. So now let's start with the program. First, we'll import some libraries. The first one is random forest classifier, an ensemble machine learning program that builds multiple decision trees and merge them to get better accuracy and stability. Second, we'll import function to train test split. It is a function to split your data into a training set used to train the model and test set which is used to evaluate the model. And the third one will load iris, which loads the iris dataset, a classic dataset in a machine learning. And the fourth one is accuracy score, which calculates the percentage of correct predictions. And the last one is matplotlib, which is used for plotting graphs. So now we'll create a variable known as data, which will store the load iris dataset and the x equal and will store the data in an x variable which shows the feature values like petal length, sepal width, etc. And the dot target will store in y variable which targets the labels, and x contains the feature inputs and the y contains the labels, which is also known as outputs. Now we'll split the data set into training data and the testing data, where 70% of training data is splitted and the 30% of data is splitted for testing, where x underscore train and y underscore train are which shows the 70% for training, and x underscore test, y underscore test, which shows the 30% for testing, and the random state equal to 42 ensures the split is reproducible, which means it is same every time. So now let's define the number of trees and initialize accuracy list. It is defined by using tree underscore test counts. It defines the different number of trees to test in random forest, and accuracy, which is an empty list to store accuracy results for each number of trees. Now let's train and evaluate the model for each tree count. Here we'll use a for loop. Now let's create a model. Random forest classifier and estimator is equal to n underscore trees. N estimators is the number of decision trees in the forest. Let's now train the model. Model dot fit learns the pattern from the training data. Y underscore predict on the data set. The model dot predict applies the train model to unseen data. Now let's calculate the accuracy of y underscore test and the prediction of the